Cinderella. Ah, ba si kuya dyan?
Si Prince Charming.
Prince Charming daw ang kuya eh.
Our grade 1 unity as they move to further work as attention on God. See you very much.
Yan na, kuya.
Let's welcome our grade 1 unity. Okay,
Kuya,
time for
kuya.
your purpose. So let's see. Ang ating mga cute unities sa kanilang
Ah, si kuya oh. Masabi natin. Wala. Saan si kuya? Ayun, si gilid, si kuya. Si kuya. Isina. So dito. Pwede po, sumaturo ko. Kuya, si kuya, ayun o. Kuya. Kuya. Si kuya. Huli ka, kuya.
beautiful girl named Cinderella.
Ayun o.
After her father passed away, she was in the care of her cruel stepmother, the Lady Joanna, and her two jealous stepsisters, Anastasia and Susanna.
Ayun o, si Echo. Si Echo, longer o. Ayun o, si Rufino. Kuya o, si kuya. Si kuya.
And the sixth song.
Si kuya.
And then, Prince Charming asked Cinderella, "May I have hands with you?" Cinderella says, "Yes, you will." And then they go
Kuya.
together outside.
Kuya. Kasi yan sila siguro, no? Si kuya, oh. Kuya, si kuya. Uy, si Hailey, oh. Base ka agad, oh. Lock. Holding hands pa sila, oh. Kuya, yan. Gusto, ikaw din next time.
And then the plans over.
Oh. Kakaling, oh.
Once again, let us give a round of applause to our students for their wonderful performance. Now, get ready to welcome the great and invited students from grade 1 Perseverance. A grade 2 Perseverance.
Kung saan punta? Tatayo pa.